How to use Google Bard AI chat box. Open up your Google or your Chrome browser, and then on the search bar, go and search for Google Bard AI. And after that, on the first search, you will have Meet Bard Google. Click on that. And now I can use Google Bard. If you're using it for the first time, you need to be in the wait list first. After applying for the wait list, in a few seconds or in a few minutes, you will be ready to use your Google Bard. And then go on the search bar and search for anything that you would like. It is same as ChatGPT. For example, I have typed what new discoveries are about cardboard dating, and after typing one question, you have a submit button here. Then you can submit, or you can also use your microphone option, and you can just have a voice search. And after your question, hit the submit button, and then it will take a few seconds to generate its answers. And then here you can have this answer. So you can use this answer for your work. And then if you like this answer, then you can go and hit that good response button. And if you're not that satisfied with your answer, then go and hit the bad response. And if you want to regenerate it, then you have a regenerate option, which is with new response. And if you want to Google it, then you can also click on here on Google it. Then you will find related searches about this topic, and you can go on and search it on Google. So that's it. That's how you use your Google Bard AI chat box. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.